If
Sir,
you are
certain
lucky,
batti kuda,
if you
sir,
are lucky,
certain
you
batti
will get
kuda
in order.
numbers change అవుతుంది.
ఏంటమ్మా?
Certain batti kuda order change అవుతుంది కదా. Sometimes it continuously come constitution. Sometimes it different
Yes.
and
See, set A, set B, set C, set D. All questions are same, but not in the same order.
yeah, that is what.
Okay, question paper, you will find the same question in other paper also, but it may not be the same. Say question number 1 here, it may be 84, 85 in that question paper.
And sometimes it may also happen. No, for some in one side there is a continuous constitution, and sometimes it's jumbling.
Yes, it will happen. So there is a possibility only. Not don't take it for granted. So there is a possibility that few questions may come in sequence. Same constitution, you may get 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 questions also. Last time in SETI, all 10 questions were together from constitution, then BNS, BSA, all those things were in sequential order. So only set A, set B, set C, there were some changes.
Yeah, if we get that kind of set, then it is lucky.
Yes, it is possible. So you should be very cautious. Okay, you be prepared. That is the reason we are, see, keep your mind open for surprises. There will be surprises. Okay.
Okay.
Surprises like you will not get parking. You will see you are going by two-wheeler. You will not get parking nearby. You have to park somewhere half kilometer away. You have to come by walking. So start early. Okay, see if there is parking. If there is no parking, then see where you can park. If it is on the main road, police may pick up the vehicles. So make everything sure. You come 1.5 hours early. See safe places to park your vehicle. If you are coming by bus or auto, see to that you are coming on time 1 hour early, because they will allow entry 45 minutes to half an hour minimum. 30 minutes to 45 minutes time they give. Okay, 30 minutes is minimum they give, because there will be a very huge crowd. So it will be difficult to accommodate everyone inside in this last 30 minutes. So they start allowing people from 45 minutes to some places even for 1 hour. I don't know, but mostly they'll start allowing people at least 45 minutes before the examination time. So 45 minutes, half an hour you will have, you go there in the, because you, as I told, your class may be in the ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor. There may be lift, there may not be lift. So even if there is a lift can accommodate 4 to 5 people. So you have to wait for your turn. So it may take, for some people, it will take 15 to 20 minutes to reach the classroom also. So be careful. If your classroom is in the ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, if you can climb, well and good. If you cannot climb, you have to be at least another 10 minutes early, so that you can take the lift to that particular place. If there is no lift, there is no alternative, you have to climb the stairs only. So be prepared for all such surprises. Okay, and I gave the list of you make your own list. I try to give the list also in this presentation. So you make the list. Before going, check that list whether you are carrying everything or not. Last moment, in hurry, you will forget. You may forget some or other 1 or 2 things. So don't take anything for chances. You check everything from the checklist. See that you are taking your Aadhaar card, hall ticket, photocopies, whatever is required. If photograph is required, pen is required, pad is very important. Take pad. Okay, you have to carry pad. Okay, without pad, don't go. Okay, because keep the pad. Use ball pen only. No gel pens, no ink pens, no pencils, no erasers, no whiteners. They are not allowed. See, you will damage the paper. If the paper is damaged, you may be disqualified. You are writing wrong number, you are disqualified. So
pad లేదు సార్, వాళ్ళు ఉంటాయి కదా, టేబుల్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా.
Yes, so table ఉంటే కూడా మీరు ప్యాడ్ తీసుకొని పోండి. So when you are writing, first write your hall ticket number carefully, center code carefully. Okay, then question paper number carefully. Every number check twice and write. Then even bubbling, see whether you are bubbling in the same column or not. Check comfortably, then only bubble. You see one, you are doing it in one or not. You check under the same row, same column or not. First check, then bubble. Take time, no problem. Take 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes also, because you will have 30 minutes. Okay. If you answer one question wrongly, you may lose 1 mark. But if you write your hall ticket number or any set code number wrongly, you will be disqualified. I mean, you will fail. If you write wrong hall ticket number, you will anyhow fail. But if you write set code wrong, you may score 10 to 15 marks also, because based on the same answers may be, because 10th question may be B for set A, set B also. It is possible. So all possibilities are there. So you should be very, very careful in filling the first columns, top columns. Okay. So be careful. I know it is, you will be having some worry, but nothing, not so difficult. Everyone will comfortably pass. Okay. As I am insisting from the day one, AIBE exam is very easy. So anyone who are having basic common sense, who prepared for at least 2 days, they will pass. 1 or 2 days also they will pass. Okay. There are people who pass directly coming to the exam also. But important thing, you have to carry barracks. Carry all barracks, 25 barracks, 26 barracks, 27 barracks also. Okay, you have to carry every barrack, whatever is possible. The more barracks you take, the more chances you have to answer, you get for getting more marks. People say, don't carry this barrack. Don't hear to them. Okay, don't hear. Because every mark counts. If the paper is difficult and you are not well prepared, and if you cannot answer some questions, and by chance you can answer 1 or 2 questions from the barracks you are carrying, like Income Tax Act, you can answer 1 question. Company law, you can answer 1 question. Those 2 marks may count. Maternity Benefit Act, you may answer 1 question. Those 2 will help you. See, when you are taking, don't take it in loose paper, you spiral bind or staple those papers when you are taking the barracks. Okay, print out barracks, don't take it as loose papers, staple it, write barrack for AIBE, you can write the heading on that one also. So that examiner will not question. Even if he's questioning, you can hand over the books to them. Okay, sir, I will not use these books. If he's scared, sir, you can get them checked to with somebody, sir. If there is any comment or anything, these are allowed barracks. So I am bringing these barracks. So you can just get it checked and you can give it back to me, sir. So you can use 1 hour time also. There is no problem from my side, because by the time this question come, it may take 1 hour, 1.5 hours. You can wait for those barracks, because you are having all other barracks. You can answer them. So 1 or 2 questions you can answer from those barracks also. From those loose papers you have taken, but don't take 1, 2, 3, 4 pages loose papers. Staple that properly and take it like a book, or spiral binding, put it in somewhere, so that they should not feel that you have got some loose papers. Okay.
సార్ అంటే మీరు ఇచ్చిన పీడిఎఫ్ తీసుకెళ్ళకూడదు కదా సార్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్?
తీసుకెళ్ళకూడదు. మళ్ళీ చాలాసార్లు చెప్పాను తీసుకెళ్ళకూడదని.
ఓకే,
మళ్ళీ అడగొద్దు నన్ను. ఓకే, nothing is allowed. I wrote what things you can take. I gave in this presentation. You can note down. Okay. So again, I'm telling AIBE is easy to pass, but don't take it easy. Take it seriously. Every year, 40% of students are failing. Last year, it was 30%. Okay. So this presentation is more focused for 2 days strategy only. So you have to carry barracks. I may tell this 4 or 5 times also. I'll explain the OMR rules. I have already explained. Somebody shared me today in, sir, is this correct way? That slide I didn't put in this one. I thought of putting it. I forgot that one. So if possible, by the end of the session, I'll try to share that. Okay. ASB is not tough. It is not difficult. It is about the time, how you use the index and barracks, and how the strategy you are following into the clear the examination. Time management strategy, barrack searching strategy, identifying the answer strategy. So these 2 days are very important. All you have to do is, we have shared the notes, we have shared the presentation, go through that. Don't go through the videos now. You don't have enough time to go through the videos. Just go through the presentation, go through the notes I have shared. So you can do that 3 times a day, 4 times a day also, because hardly it will take 2 hours to complete all the material. So do it 3 times today, 3 times day after tomorrow. Sorry, tomorrow. Then day after tomorrow is the examination. You can just go through that important things last minute. Try to answer at least 4 question papers, 2 question papers minimum. Today 1, tomorrow 1, or tomorrow 1, day after tomorrow 1. How you answer at least 2 question papers. prepare your barracks properly. I sort them, try to answer them from the barracks, search answers from the barracks. Go through the index 2 to 3 times. Index, that is very important. Go through the index 2 to 3 times. So important, this is mindset is very important. Don't be worried. It is very easy. Okay. 100 multiple choice questions are asked. No negative marking. So even if it is wrong, don't worry. Don't try to change. Don't mark another one. No negative marks. Okay. Passing mark is 45% for general and OBC candidates, 40% for SC, ST candidates. And I think even for physically handicapped, I'm not sure that one. SC, ST, I know that. Okay. So result is only pass, fail. No percentage mark, 70, 80, 90, state first, national first, all India first, nothing like that. Okay. Again, I'm telling examination is not hard. It requires strategy. It requires speed. Okay. You have to attempt 80% of the questions. 80% of the question you have to attempt near correct. I'm not saying that. Okay. In worst case also, if you attempt 80, 50 to 60 marks, you can score. So 50 to 60% marks, even if it is difficult, if you answer 70, you have to score 50 plus. Then only if after elimination, you will be comfortable for next 60, 70, 80 to 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, whenever they declare the result, you will be comfortable. You will have peace of mind that, okay, I have scored more than 50% of the marks. So I will clear. So you can focus on your regular practice. And I want to bring to your focus that we will continue this group. We will not disband this group after the examination. We will see, people can leave this one after AIBE examination if they want to leave, but we will take some sessions. Already there is another group. If you are in 2 groups, you can quit one group. So we will do regular sessions for practicing advocates. Okay, we'll do regular sessions for practicing advocates, and there will be a separate, maybe a small group of 20, 25 people, which will be another group, which will not be from this big group, where I will be hand-holding them, mentoring them for 1 year, day-to-day strategies. Who can give one complete year, we will see to that make them ready for practicing on their own within 1 year. At least maximum extent, we'll see to that. I want to do at least for 20 to 30 advocates who are ready to give some time every week, every day for 1 year. So 1 year plan, I will be working with them for that 1 year. So I will handhold them. I will clear the doubts. If I am not able to clear the doubts, and we will bring outsiders also to do the sessions, but that sessions will be open for all the 1,000 plus people in the various group of our legal groups. Okay, those sessions can be attended by everyone, but hand-holding and specific strategy-related sessions will be only for those people. Okay, because we'll be giving assignments, we'll be giving some targets. We want them to do hard work, serious, sincere hard work. They have to sit in the courts. They have to do some serious homeworks, drafting works. They have to observe court works. They have to read judgments. All those things we'll do that. So let us come back to exam. Okay, this is more important. So because I thought after examination, a lot of people may not come back to the session. So I thought, let me share that here now only. Okay, how to fill OMR? We did it in the last session. I will try to find out that session. That's somebody who shared that screenshot. Or be careful, write the numbers, roll numbers, center number, booklet code, answer sheet code. Okay, on the top, you have to write the number. Then below that number, mark if it is one, bubble the one circle properly. Check before bubbling whether you are doing in the same line and you are doing the same number. Check once, twice, thrice, then only bubble. You will have at least 15 minutes to bubble just those 4 things before you start answering the question paper. So 15 minutes, check thoroughly every line, every column, slowly, carefully. First write the number, center code, hall ticket number, question booklet number, booklet code or answer sheet number, whatever are asked. Sign your paper properly, well, 1 place, 2 place. Fill all those things which should not take your time while answering the question paper. Those things are nothing to do with the answers. Those things are meant to be finished before the examination begins. So be careful, do that before the examination begin, don't try to do it fast. Do it slowly, comfortably. Don't because there is a carbon sheet. You can check it later also. Complete circle, complete darken it. Use only similar pen, one pen only, blue or black. If you are taking two blue pens or two black pens, don't use one half black, half blue. Use only blue or only use black. Circle that properly. See to that it is not crossing. See, minor coming outside the circle also not a big problem, but it should not come lot. Okay, see to that it is circled. First do the border, then come inside and do the circle. Bubbling is very important. For answers also, bubbling is important. But more important is for the hall ticket number, center code, question paper number, and booklet code. These are very important. Whitener is not allowed. Erasers are not allowed. So, check those things very carefully. And answering them also is very important. When you are answering, see to that. Double check whether you are answering the correct question and you are circling the correct bubble. For you check that one back, again come back, waste 10 seconds, no problem, going back and coming here. Okay, so be careful when answering also. Lot of people in a hurry, instead of 40, they will answer 41. You cannot change it. So you see that whether you are answering 40 here, then compare it once and do, let you waste 10 minutes more, but don't answer wrongly for the questions you know. Especially for those questions, based questions, section-based questions, where you are sure of answers, you double check the number before bubbling also. It is very important. Keep in mind, a lot of people in a hurry, they may answer in a wrong place. Okay. So what to carry? Printed admit card. I think they ask you to bring 2 cards, right? 2 admit cards, 2 copies. Okay. Photo ID card, bare axe, without comments, blue or black pens only, ball point. Don't, I think smartwatches are not allowed. If you don't have watch also, don't carry watch. They will keep you. If you are having smartwatch, don't take it. Okay. Or borrow somebody's old watch, watches, where digital watches, where you can see numbers only. Take those watches. Nothing else is allowed. No notes, no loose paper. Somebody were asking, can we carry the presentations? No notes, no loose papers. Staple it properly. Okay. Or you do spiral binding, all those barracks together. Give it to them. If they are having questions, concerns, ask them to check it and give it back to you. No guides are not allowed. Phones are not allowed. Smartwatches are not allowed. Calculators are not allowed. Carry bags are also not allowed in few centers. Okay, gel pens are allowed, but it is problem for you. Okay, pencils are allowed, but you are not supposed to highlight with pencil. So I not allowed. I wrote it. Okay, no pouches, nothing are allowed. Okay, so these things are not allowed. Be careful. Okay, some last movement for last. I told people not to underline. Use pencil to underline if you want, but don't highlight. I told because I highlight is through by pencil only. Use pencil only. Okay, pencil. Underline or highlight only pencil. Okay, why underline? I will not use highlight also. Okay. You can fold papers. Important. Berak, somebody told, right? Don't put stick notes. I'm giving the technique. I never told this one in the classes. You can fold the paper. If you feel that it is very important or where you don't want to underline, you want to say amendment numbers, whatever it is, important sections, important notes, or whatever is important, you can fold those papers. You got it? So folding papers, sir, nothing is wrong. You are not doing anything right. Folding paper is allowed. So you can fold papers so that it will be easy for you to search. If you feel that, okay, if you feel, otherwise don't fold also. But if you feel that it will help you, you can fold the paper. No stick notes, no white papers in between the papers, no papers in the barracks. Folding is allowed. Underlining to certain extent is allowed. No overwriting. Okay. I told keep barracks separately in 2 sets. Okay. You do that. So somebody told, sir, how can we start? You have to go from question 1. If you know the answer for question 1, answer immediately. Don't read entire question paper. Don't read entire question paper. If you know the answer for question number 1, you answer it immediately. If it is from Bare Act, direct question, answer it immediately. Don't go to question number 2 also. Okay, but in chance, if by any chance, if you are, they are allowing you to use question paper but not allowing you to answer, you can make a note in the question paper 5 minutes before they have allowed you to open the question paper sticker. You are able to open that. So they're not objecting, they're allowing you to open that sticker but not allowing you to answer. Then you can write, okay, Constitution, BNS, CPS, CPC, whatever you want to answer, you can tick that one. So you can understand which questions are from which subjects. Okay, difficult questions, lengthy questions. If it is taking more than 1 minute to read any question, you skip that question, you come back to that later. If it is difficult for you to understand the question, if you feel that it is complicated, leave that question, come back to it later. Answer in the first attempt only direct question, Bare Act related question, concept based question, which you can answer directly in single reading, or any case laws questions, or any maxim related questions, or anything. Answer those things, doctrine related questions where you have already learned and it cannot be answered from the Bare Acts. Non-Bare Act related questions which you remember, direct Bare Act questions from index, direct Bare Act questions from sections. Don't even go for illustrations in the first attempt. Illustrations, you come back until unless you remember where that illustration is located because of your previous reading or previous preparation, or you have luckily you feel that you have folded that particular illustration based important illustration papers. Just open that, you can see that, refer to that and write it. But don't waste your time more than 10 seconds to 20 seconds for answering those important questions, Bare Act based questions. Complete maximum questions in first 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Then come to second questions where you can answer, but some reading is required. More reading last. If you have time, come to them. If you don't have time, answer only those questions which you can answer them within 1 or 2 minutes. Then only you give 5 minutes time. There are some questions which requires 5 to 10 minutes also. Don't answer them in the first attempt. If you have enough time, there will be at least 5 questions, such questions. Leave those 5 questions, nothing will happen. Don't try to answer. Even if you are sure that you can answer, you come back and answer. But last 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, recheck OMR, any blank questions, you don't have time, compulsory you have to bubble that whatever answer it is, you are lucky, A, B, C, D, whatever you want to choose, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. You feel 2 is your lucky number, bubble 2 for all those things. 3 is your, or you want to do 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, whatever you want to choose, you choose, but don't leave anything blank. So every question must be answered. Okay, long answers, don't answer immediately. Confusing question, don't answer, skip. Answer only those direct questions. That is very important. Okay. Here in MCQs, article means constitution. There is nowhere it is constitution. Okay. Sections are there in other acts, but article is only in constitution. If they are referring to order and rule, it is CPC. Remember, if they were talking about order, which order is it? Then blindly it is CPC only. If they are talking about rule, blindly it is CPC. If they are talking about investigation, FIR, inquiry, arrest, such things where procedure is involved, it is BNSS and CRPC. When they are talking about what is the punishment for this one, what type of offense, theft is an offense. Okay, battery is an offense. Murder is an offense. It is BNS. Okay, if they are talking about evidence, it is Evidence Act or BSA. First, search in the index, then only go to the section. Don't jump into the section directly unless it is first go through the index only. For every question, first you have to go first to the index, identify that, then go to the section. Try to see, because within 2-3 seconds only you can find, because index number, section number is given, go to that section directly. See that content. If it is related, then go to the page if necessary only. Or else, if you can answer from the index, don't go to the page. If you can answer from the index, answer from the index only. Don't go to the section also. If it is direct index-based question, at least 20 to 30, more than 30 questions may be from index only. You need not go to the section level also. Okay. So don't waste your time going to the section. Directly answer from the index only. Okay. Then 2 days are there, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Even if you count today, you are having sometimes. Go through all the notes, what I have given 2 to 3 times. Answer 1 or 2 question papers today, 1 or 2 questions paper tomorrow. Learn maxims, doctrines, landmark cases. Understand the study material, what I have given. Okay. So do those things. It is very important. These are the important topics. Fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy, writs, articles. Go through that. I have given notes about all these subject concepts. CPC. Okay, you have to go important concepts. Criminal law, theft, robbery, where you can find these things. At least try to go through the theft. Where is theft? Where is robbery? Where is murder? Where is criminal force? Where is sexual offense? In old and new laws also try to, because if you read new law, because new laws you have tables. If you it is finding difficult because you don't want to waste your time searching in the old laws, you can refer to the table and go to the old law paper directly. You can answer from the new law itself if it is a direct question also. Okay. Limitation, contract, all those things are direct questions only. You can directly answer from BRACs only. Most of the things. Contract, there will be some concept-based questions. Okay. Consumer Protection Act, arbitration, all those things, even to certain extent, intellectual properties, all those things are from BRACs only. Okay. Last moment, reach examination early, 1 hour at least. Okay, because they start allowing from 1 hour 45 minutes, minimum 45 minutes before they will start allowing you. So expect no parking. There will be long queues near the gate. So they will check everyone, so that you have to deposit your bags. You have to deposit your phones. You have to deposit any other things you are carrying except BRAC books. Your pens and pads and hall tickets are allowed. So you want to carry those books because it will be difficult to carry them on hands. You have to bring a rope so that you can tie them very carefully. If you cannot carry all in one hand, you bring 2 ropes, carry in 2 separate bundles, bundle it 2 separately. When you're bringing back, it is your problem, because bringing back is not a hurry. Going inside is a hurry, because you will be in a hurry, you will be in pressure. So while coming back, you comfortably, you can tie and come back within after 15 minutes also. Nobody will ask you to, why are you waiting? You can say that you are tying that barracks and you are taking it back. So don't open that near the examination center, tie them properly. Go to the examination center. In the hall only you open, keep that rope separately, carefully, arrange those books properly. Okay. See to that everything is calm, arranged before going to the examination. As I told you, prepare the checklist, hall ticket numbers, everything. So everything is with you. Sit comfortably. Then once the bubble sheet is given, answer sheet is given, first complete that carefully. Stay calm, steady. Examination will be easy. Don't worry. Okay. These things, I'm multiple times I'm trying to focus, because I don't want any one of you to fail. Okay. So checklist again I have given. What are not included I have given, so that I want to remind you again. So I'll write.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
యాక్చువల్లీ మార్నింగ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ మీరు ఇచ్చిన కాన్సెప్ట్ బేస్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ చదువుతుంటే పిల్లో ఆర్టికల్స్ అవి వచ్చాయి కదా సార్. ఆ ఆర్టికల్స్ అవి యాక్చువల్లీ దీనికి బేదాక్ట్ ఉండదు కదా. అంటే ఆర్టికల్స్ అంటే ఎనీ ఆర్టికల్ ఇంటి కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ లో రిఫర్ చేయొచ్చా, బై హార్టే చేయాలా? జస్ట్
నాకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తేనే నేను చెప్పగలుగుతాను. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ గివ్ మీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఐ కెన్ టెల్ యూ సంథింగ్.
పిల్స్ లో కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కదా, ఇచ్చారు సార్ మీరు.
Supposed to be one question is they given last year, sir. The ground of error of law apparent on the face of the record is connected to with the which of the writ.
Okay. See, writs నేను మీకు చెప్పాను. See, I gave you writs. Okay, 5 types of writs ఉన్నాయి కదా.
Yes, sir.
So you have to go through the writs. Concept based question adi. It is purely concept based question. You have to go through the writs. I have given the notes. I'll do one thing. I'll put all those things in a place, and make it into single PDF and share again.
రిట్స్ అనేది బేర్ యాక్ట్ లో ఉన్నాయి.
రిట్స్ బేర్ యాక్ట్ లో ఉంటాయి, ఎందుకు ఉండవు? కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ లో ఉంటుంది రిట్స్, కానీ మీరు నేర్చుకోవాలి. రిట్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఉండదు అందులో.
విచ్ ఆర్టికల్స్ సార్?
ఫండమెంటల్ రైట్స్ లో ఉంటుంది.
226, 32 దాంట్లో
32 లో ఉంటుంది.
32 just it was mentioned like only writs name. It was not explained. Yeah,
yes, they don't.
that's
That's what
correct,
I'm saying. So writs will be there. So explanation you have to. That is the reason we have
exactly.
given
That is the
explanation
reason what sir is telling is we have to remember that.
Okay, under Article 32.
Sir,
Okay.
after completing this session, when you are going to take the next session, after completing our exam?
Yes, after completion of the exam only, I will take the session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank you.
I will not come online again. I will not disturb, because I see last months you may not have time to focus again to hear, because you have to according to your plan you have to study. It will disturb you if I come in between. You don't want to miss what I am telling. Okay, so I don't want to waste your time. That is the reason tomorrow I haven't taken tomorrow, because 2 days before I don't want to divert you from the main class.
Okay.
Sir, single PDF share